Apart from the dashboard menu, you can find a similar dashboard tab in each campaign. It's also possible to set a date range and download the data from here. Switch to the Statistics tab to see detailed statistics on how many profiles were processed at each step during specified period of time. Click on any number to open a list of profiles in a given range. This can be conveniently used to tag profiles on the basis of a process and a date range. I'm going to select those who were invited in November and tag them correspondingly. Moreover, Statistics tab allows you to see the data that is not so obvious when looking at the workflow. For example, like and comment action. There are 16 profiles that were skipped in this action. If you click on the number, you will be redirected to this list and find out the reason for skipping profiles. As you can see, they were skipped because they had no posts to like. But if you just look at the workflow, click on the action name to be redirected to it. Only successfully processed profiles, along with the failed and excluded ones, are clearly visible. And you need to open this drop-down menu to see other lists. Let's have a look at the messaged list too. It includes profiles that received a message from me, either manually or via LeanHelper, before LeanHelper managed to send them a follow-up in this campaign. Profiles in this list won't be processed in the campaign further. If you install Multi-Campaign Runner plugin, you can choose several campaigns and download statistics of all the selected. It's also possible to set a date range here and switch between the ways of representing the data, by activity or by lists. It can be useful when you need to collect and compare the data for several campaigns, targeting different regions, for example. This is how the data looks when you import it into Excel. You can also create some charts using Pivot Chart tool. Here, let's select the fields. I'm going to select campaigns names for the axis. And for values, I'm selecting a couple of activities like invited, accepted, messaged, replied, liked, and endorsed. This way, I can quickly see the number of profiles processed in different actions in comparison with different campaigns.